Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check how many apps have Wi-Fi access in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to apps option. After open the apps option, just tap on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on special access. That's it. Here you can find so many options and you can check your all the app access from here. You can see all file access, device admin, app access, app air on top access. Now just scroll down and here you can see Wi-Fi control. Then just tap here and that's it. From here you can check how many apps has Wi-Fi access in your phone. And you can also disable any access from here. Suppose if you want to disable this app Wi-Fi access, just tap here and it's disabled now. And that is how you can check how many apps has Wi-Fi access in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.